You ever hear managers talk about they're training their replacement, or their goal is to make themselves redundant or obsolete? And it sounds really motivating and thoughtful and inspiring. And then when you ask them, oh, I mean, yeah, that's amazing, right? Who are those candidates? Who are those people? And where are they on that path? You want to see some people's eyes open up about that big. Ask them that when they're banging their chest about a train your replacement. Because I bet money, most of them don't have the names of the people that they are deliberately pouring into to develop their capabilities. And they might have a couple of names, right? Their favorites or maybe super high performers, but they can't tell you where they are in that progression. And it's not because like they're being ugly. They actually mean it, but we don't really put in the time to get explicit about how it is we're going to develop our replacement. We just kind of expect people to pick things up. And when they don't, we kind of say, well, they just don't have initiative. It's messy, I know. But anyhow, the point is, when you hear that, challenge them, because you're going to help them by challenging them. When you ask them, who are these replacements that you're training? And you ask them, where are they on that path of training and development that you have them on? That's going to, for the good ones anyways, it's going to maybe spark some conviction and help them evaluate, like, son of a gun, I got to pick up my game so that I can actually do the story I'm trying to tell. So I'd like to know, like, have you done this? Or maybe you're that person on their list, and do you even know it? Be cool, be kind to yourself, and we'll talk at you next time. Peace.